Good morning, children. Today we are going to look at your textbook, page 55. Please take out your textbook because you might need it for your work later. 同学们早上好，今天我们要看的是你们的课本第55页。那同学们请翻开你们的课本，因为待会儿你们要做功课的时候呢，你们是需要参考课本的。Alright, we are going to look at your textbook, page 55, and we will do a project today. What did Tony eat yesterday? Listen and read. Now we are going line by line. Please read after me. 请跟着老师念。Yesterday, I had a bowl of cereal with milk for breakfast. For lunch, I had meat and salad. After school, I played football for 1 hour. In the afternoon, I had a bowl of fruit salad. For dinner, I had a plate of pasta with vegetables. I had some ice cream. For dessert, at night, I slept for 10 hours. Yesterday was a healthy day. Very good. Yesterday, I had a bowl of cereal with milk for breakfast. 昨天早餐我吃了 a bowl of cereal with milk， 就是一碗的早餐谷粮配牛奶。For lunch, 午餐 I had meat and salad， 他就吃了肉和沙拉。After school, 放学后 I played football for 1 hour， 他就踢了1个小时的足球。In the afternoon, 下午的时候呢 I had a bowl of fruit salad， 他就吃了一碗的水果沙拉。For dinner, 晚餐 I had a plate of pasta with vegetables， 那他就用了一碟的意大利面配蔬菜。I had some ice cream for dessert， 甜点呢他就吃了一些的冰淇淋。At night, 晚上 I slept for 10 hours， 他睡了10个小时。Yesterday was a healthy day， 昨天真是一个健康的一天。Alright, now we have read what did Tony do yesterday, and we are going to fill in the table. 那刚才我们已经念过昨天 Tony 吃的东西，还有他做了一些什么事情。那现在呢，你的课本第55页里面呢，有这一个的表格，我们必须要完成这一份的表格。If you look at here, a lot of information is given with a few blanks here. 那这里呢，我们看有很多的资料，它都已经给你了，只剩下一些的空档的地方是你需要填充。Alright, grains 谷粮 vegetables 蔬菜 fruit 水果 milk 牛奶 meat and beans 肉类以及豆类。Exercise 运动 Sleep 睡觉。These are the types of food or activity. 这些呢是所有提到的食物的种类以及他所做的活动的种类。How much Tony needs? 就是说 Tony 他本来是需要多少的呢？ Now it's given here 6 slices of bread or 6 cups of cereal or 3 cups of rice or 3 cups of pasta. 那这一些呢就是他需要的东西。For vegetables, he needs 2 to 3 cups. Fruit, he needs 1 to 2 cups. Milk, he needs 3 cups of yogurt or 3 cups of milk or 3 pieces of cheese. Meat and beans, he needs a piece of meat, chicken or fish or 2 cups of beans. He needs 60 minutes of exercise every day and he needs 10 hours of sleep every night. These are all the things he needs. 这些呢是他需要的东西。But what he get might not be that much. 可是他需要跟他真正做到的，他所吃到饮用到的可能会不一样。The last column here is how much Tony had or did. 那最后的这一个格子呢，是 Tony 他到底有多少，或者是他做了多少。Grains, he had 2 cups of cereal and 2 cups of pasta. 这些呢，答案都是从刚才上面的这一篇文章里面找到的。He had 2 cups of cereal and 2 cups of pasta. He has 1 cup of salad and 1 cup of vegetables. He had 2 cups of fruit. He had 2 cups of milk and a cup of ice cream. He had a piece of meat. Now, you can see that there are 6 blanks. Breakfast, what Tony had for breakfast, what Tony had for lunch, what Tony had for snack, and what Tony had for his dinner. These are the blanks that you need to fill in. 那 Tony 的早餐、午餐、他的零食还有晚餐，他到底吃了什么东西，是你需要填充的。Where can you get all the answers? They are all in the passage. 那答案从哪里来呢？都在上面的这一篇文章。Breakfast 吃了什么？ Lunch 吃了什么？那你们从这里找答案。You can get all the answers here. And how much exercise and sleep did he get? You also need to fill in. 那他到底做了多久的运动？还有他睡了多少个小时，也是你需要填充的。But how are you going to do this? 那到底是要怎么样做呢？ In your Google Classroom, I have attached a Word document. 那在你的 Google Classroom 呢，老师也放了这一个 Word document. 这个 Microsoft Word. So, if you look at this table, it's exactly the same table as the one in your textbook. 那这个图表呢，是老师照着你们的课本的那个图表打出来的，所有的资料都是一样的。And you will see that there are 6 or 7 green boxes. 有7个格子呢是青色的。Why are they in green? Because you need to fill in the blanks. 那为什么是青色的呢？这些青色的格子就是你要完成你的功课的地方。For breakfast, what did Tony has? So, you can write there a bowl of cereal with milk. 这些是 Tony 吃的东西，所以你要把你的答案打出来。So, after you wrote your answer, highlight it and underline your answer. 每一个你做的答案，你写好了之后，你都需要把它 highlight， 然后你把它画线。Alright? So this is your work for today. After you have completed it, please upload your Word document. 那同学们，你做好了这一份的 Microsoft Word 呢，请你把它储存起来，然后呢，把它 upload 到你的Google Classroom 里面，老师会检查你们的功课。And that's all for today. Thank you and bye.